You searched how to find old emails in Gmail by date. I'll show you the date operators and the sort trick that jumps straight to the oldest message. Open Gmail in a desktop browser because the mobile apps hide the count we need later. Click the search bar at the top of Gmail. Type before :2024/05/01. As soon as you press enter, Gmail filters the list to messages received before May 1st, 2024. Notice there are no spaces around the colon. If you add one, Gmail treats before as a normal word and the filter does nothing. Now clear the search with the X on the right side of the search bar. Type after :2023/01/15. Press enter and you'll see everything received after January 15th, 2023. I use this one to pull up a project thread that started mid-January because I know the first email arrived after that date. Clear it again. Now type after :2023/01/01, then a space, then before :2023/12/31. Press enter. That gives you every message from the 2023 calendar year. The two operators work together and the order doesn't matter as long as both are in the search bar. Clear the search bar again, type older underscore then :6M, press enter and Gmail shows you messages older than 6 months from today. The M stands for months and you don't put a space after the colon. Because this is relative to today's date, the results shift every day. I use this when I'm cleaning out old notifications because it pulls up the stuff I haven't opened in half a year. Clear it. Now type older underscore then :2Y. Press enter. That isolates messages older than 2 years. This is the one I run before archiving old receipts because anything over 2 years is usually safe to move out of the inbox. And clear it one more time. Type older underscore then :1I, then a space, then larger :5M. Press enter. That finds messages older than 1 year that are larger than 5 megabytes. This is the quickest way to find old space-heavy attachments so you can delete them instead of paying for storage. Now leave the search bar and look at the left sidebar. Click More at the bottom of the label list if you don't see All Mail. Then click All Mail. The page shows every message in your account, not just the inbox. Look at the top right corner of the message list. You'll see a range like 1 to 50 of 5,124. That number tells you the total volume of archived and inbox messages. If you don't see it, you're probably on a phone or a tablet, and you need to switch to a desktop browser because the sort feature is not in the mobile app. Now click or hover over that number range in the top right corner. A small menu opens, click Oldest. The entire list flips, and the first row is now the very first email your account ever received. That's how you find your account creation date, because the timestamp on that first message tells you exactly when you set up the address. To get back to your normal view, click or hover over the number range again and select Newest. If you want to clean up early archives, click the checkbox above the message list to select the first 50 messages. Then click the link that says Select all conversations that match this search. Be careful here because that link grabs every conversation in the current view, not just the first page. If you only wanted the first 50, leave the page selected in bulk archive or delete right there. Click the filter icon at the right end of the search bar. That opens the advanced search panel. The date within field gives you drop-down choices like 1 year or a custom range, and Gmail writes the correct operator for you. Clear it, and type in :inbox before :2023/12/31. That limits the date search to messages still sitting in your inbox, not all mail. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.